What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your passcode on an iPad. First, make sure you know your current passcode. Without it, you won't be able to change it. Unlock your iPad and once on your home screen, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode depending on your iPad model. You will be asked to enter your current passcode. Type it in to proceed. Now, scroll down until you see the Change Passcode option and tap on it. The first step is to confirm your old passcode, so enter it when prompted. After that, you'll be asked to set up a new passcode. If you want to change the type of passcode, whether it's a 6-digit code, a 4-digit code, or even a custom alphanumeric passcode, you can do so by selecting Passcode options. Choose the option that suits you best. Once you've entered your new passcode, tap Next, then confirm it by typing it again. After confirmation, your new passcode will be set, and you can use it to unlock your iPad from now on. Remember, you can still use your old passcode for the next 72 hours in case you forget your new passcode. To prevent forgetting your new passcode, I recommend writing it down in your notepad and putting it somewhere in a safe location where only you can access it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.